Well, good morning everybody. It's been a while since I made a video. We've been out in the field for quite a while. Got all the beans are out, and we've been in corn for, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 days. I can't keep track. Some of them been kind of half days, but anyway, I got to get this thing backed out of here and heading over to a field about a mile that way and hauling into our bins. There's the home of the Fox shop. Looks a little different with all those big trees that got taken down, all those ash trees that were dead with that they had that ash borer, killed them all. 6 of them are all piled up out back. They were going to burn that this summer, and of course didn't get to it. And this is where we're going to be hauling to, this bin site here. And the field that we're in is right up here. We're just getting the headlands off right now. Let's not run over that skunk. And we'll be out in the field here shortly. Well, they started taking this headland out here. They're unloading right over there. But I can't get in the field until they come back down. Well, it's up here in the southeast corner, so just gonna have to hang out here on the road until I can get in the field. And now what it'll do is it'll go down the south fence here. I'll follow them down through the field, and then we'll get the other headland off. It takes a little while to get the headlands off of these things. Breakfast of champions right here. Well, my wagon's not real full, but there's not much room left in it, and the other one's coming.
Here's a good dump along these beans. If you want to.
Coming back out to the field.
I can get up there 3/4 of the way or something.
Of course, when you start talking, or when you start recording, they start talking on the radio. There's a dip right up here. I need to slow down. So we'll get this into the. I better slow down a little more. So we'll get this into the bin site and get her unloaded. And away we go.
Yeah, if I get into the north end, I'll be alright. I don't know, whatever. I don't know if you can make it around or not. I don't think so.
This tractor's got you get bouncing a little bit, about 27 miles an hour, and then it smooths out to just about as smooth as you could be. She'll do 31 miles an hour, which seems kind of crazy.
I guess it is.
I remember when I first started driving tractors, I think now we're hitting that about 27 mile an hour mark. Here we go. First started driving tractors, I think their top speed was like 16 or 18, something like that. Now, some, not all, but some of these newer tractors will go almost twice that fast. Like I said, every time you start recording, they start talking on the radio.
We have to move that tractor off the driveway, and I didn't think about that.
So we'll pull in here.
Yeah, up there. I don't know if you...
Alright, so we gotta turn the hydraulics on for the wagon, because the door on the wagon isn't manual, it's hydraulic. Stop recording. And we're empty. And back to the field we go. So what we're gonna do is we'll work out here in this field. Make sure there's no cars coming here. And second load of mine anyway. Now that we have the headlands off, things will start going a little faster, a little smoother. Just kind of a slow go and a pain getting the headlands off. I don't know which end I need to be at. I probably need to be at the... I'm at the west end of this field now. I probably need to be at the east end, but find out here in a minute. Well, let's see. I'm gonna have to head back the other direction. I'm not sure how far. Get out of this dirt. I'm guessing, I don't know, half to three-fourths of the way back to the other end. We'll see. So the corn isn't doing too bad this year. Well, the field we did yesterday, I guess, made 235 bushels to the acre, and that seems to be about what everything's doing, right around the 230, 240, somewhere in there. So not too bad. Well, just got filled up and back to the bins we go. Well, we've changed fields. Not that you can really tell, it basically looks the same. Combine, I don't know if you can see it in the mirror or not, it's back there a ways. Well, I forgot to record when I pulled in here. I got that going, got the auger turned on, wagon unloading. Little box here turns the leveler on up inside the bin. It's the thing up in the very top of the bin that corn dumps into it and it spins around. You can speed it up and down and it'll throw the corn out farther or not as far. Right now we have it, you can probably hear it hitting the wall of the bin just a little bit. Not sure if you can hear that or not. Right now, this is our drying bin, and right now it's about right there, getting to the top of this second door. Once it gets up above the door, pretty much anywhere above there, we could quit and it'll run all night. But we're going to be going for a while. We'll probably get it, I don't know, half a ring or maybe even a ring above the door. And then we're going to go back to our other bin site and haul in there, I think a couple thousand more bushel or something like that. And back to the field we go. Well, I was gonna put an ending on this video and I totally forgot. I got on the phone talking to my dad. Anyway, we're about done for the day. I believe right now, let me get out of the wind, I believe right now it's only about 5 o'clock, but our wet bins are getting full, and that's when we're going to quit for the night. So they're in the cornfield right over here. They're just doing the headlands, getting, I don't know, probably can't see it. They're right over, I can't see what I'm on my viewfinder. I can't see right over there. So they got the north headland off up by the road. That's over by my dad's house. And then they'll come down and do, I can't see, the south headland down here. Maybe a little bit more. They want to get 3 or 4 loads into our bin site that's way over there, not way over there, but across the field over there, and then we will be done for the day. So I took a break and don't have to go back out, I guess. I just went over and moved the tractor, got my lunchbox, and calling it a night. So kind of nice to go in a little early. So probably not a great video, a little out of practice on making videos, but thought I'd get something out there for you guys, and I'll probably make some more. So if you like this video, thumbs up, comments down below, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll catch you next time. Bye bye.